guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very easy, very good. I love it. I'm going to make sangria. You know, it's hot weather and we need some refreshing stuff. And the sangria is quite nice cocktail, aperitif. You know, if you have a friend, you can use this. It's super easy and very, very tasty. I'm gonna show you what we need. This is my way, because sangria you have a lot different version. Okay, a liter of red wine. Choose any wine you like. Nectarine, peach, lemon, orange, apple. 50 grams of sugar. 1/2 stick of cinnamon. Cloves. Big bowl for do this. Okay. First thing, we have to chop the fruit. We put straight away inside. It's already washed. You know, as well you can clean the fridge. Anyway, now here is another thing. Who like very little piece? Who like big? I like big. I do this like this. Yeah. You don't have any rules. You know. Just cut. Oh, it's amazing. Anyway, you wanna cut all your fruit. Done like this. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, I'm going to cut the rest of my fruit and I'm gonna show you the rest. Okay, apple, nectarine, and peach. We take a lemon and we cut some slice. We do it orange. Chop in half. Yeah, it's better. The same with orange. Oh, it's beautiful already. Red wine. This is 1 liter. Now we're gonna add orange juice inside, lemon juice inside, sugar. This is 50 grams, but you can put even less or more, up to you. Inside, the clove inside, cinnamon stick inside. Now mix very well everything. Beautiful my sangria. Oh, the smell, guys, is absolutely fantastic. This one now go in the fridge because the fruit gonna ferment it a little bit, okay? Because the sangria is nice like that, but is very nice when it's nice and cold. We cover with cling film like this. This go in the fridge for 5 hours. But if you did it the day before, even better. Before we're gonna serve it, we're gonna drink, we're gonna add here half liter of Schweppes to make a little bit light. I want the usually you can put a shot of whiskey, you can put brandy, you can put any stuff. I don't wanna put it because my partner she don't like in this way. Someone add some prosecco in the end, not Schweppes, depend how strong you want it, you know. But that's why it's different way to prepare the sangria. If I feel like it's gonna be not strong enough, I can add a nice glass of prosecco and the job is done. Anyway, for 5 hours in the fridge and later we're gonna try it. This is nice and cold. After, I don't know, 7-8 hours, I'm gonna add 400 ml the Schweppes. Or if you want a little bit stronger, you can add 300 ml of prosecco or everything you like, okay? But this go in. Wow, the smell, guys, is amazing. Just we want a little bit soft, you know. We're not gonna get drunk. Oh yeah, the color is amazing, beautiful. Oh yeah. another masterpiece. Guys, it's absolutely delicious. This is Piero's Sangria, absolutely al bacio. Guys, if you like always, finger up and follow us. Ciao!